Hello class. Just like I told you in the previous video, this is the second part of the lesson for the week. These are the videos and assignments that I paired up with the instructional packet. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and click on the PDF. Right here you can see I broke it down by day for you. So today you can either open your camera up from your phone and just scan the barcode, or you can just click on the actual web link. As you're watching the video, these are the following questions that you're going to be answering. Today, you also have a quiz. So here, I also have it on your classwork under Google, but I'm just going to go over the whole week for you. So right here, you'll click on the link for the media literacy quiz. Make sure you screenshot or you take a picture of your score once you're done, and you're going to submit it on our Google Classroom. For Tuesday is going to be the same thing. You have another video. Again, you can scan the barcode or you can click on the link. The questions for that video are right here. And you also have an assignment, the media literacy handout for Tuesday, which let me show you. The handout is this one. Okay, so for Tuesday, here is the assignment. So you're going to use your dictionary or instructional packet or the video that I previously did for you. You're going to give me the definition and you're going to write a sentence with each one. So this is the media literacy handout and this is for Tuesday. So let's go back up here. Okay, so for Tuesday, you're watching the video, answering these questions, and working on the handout that I just showed you. For Wednesday, here's the video. Again, you can scan the barcode or click on the link that I created for you. These are the questions that you're going to be answering based on the video. And then here you have already also the assignment from the Dream Collector questions. So the questions are the 5 questions I had gone over in the other video, the first video where we analyzed the photographs and stuff. So these are the questions. These are the 5 questions you're going to be answering for Wednesday. So these are the Wednesday questions. Now let's go back. Thursday, you also have a video here linked to the photographs and media literacy that we're going over this week. So you go ahead and either click the link or scan the code with your phone camera and answer the questions. And then Friday, you have the assignment down here as well. So if you scroll up, here's an example. Look at the letter below. Follow the same format when you write a letter to yourself. So the assignment was this one: write a letter from yourself in 60 years to yourself now. So let's say right now you are 15, you're 16. Well, you would be writing a letter 60 years from now to yourself. What would you have liked yourself to know? Okay, so write a letter from yourself in 60 years to yourself right now. So that's going to be the assignment. So these are the video links that are connected to the packet that we're going to be going over. So I already went ahead and created the quiz. It's already up for you. Click on the link, follow your instructions, and then this is the video for Monday. So for today, okay? So we'll be taking class tomorrow online, and I will be meeting with you guys again on Friday for our Google Meet that we're going to be having every week. Thank you for those who joined us last week. You will be getting extra credit, a free 100 for that as well. So again, just wanted to tell you, I can tell right away who has been working, who has not. If your assignments are in red, then that means I don't have any assignments for you. It tells me the people that are in the class with us and everything else. Okay, so again, so let's make sure that we are working. You can reach me on Remind. You can send a message here. You're free to comment here. Let's say you have a question. You can add your comments here. You don't want to, you can privately message me. You can send me on Remind, and then just here on the side, on the left-hand corner, you're always going to have what's going to be turned in, what's upcoming, the due dates. You do have your video lesson, and then you have the media literacy quiz for today. Okay, so let's get that work in. If you need assistance, I am available every day here for you online, and I can make more instructional videos. Please make sure to watch the video. If you still have questions after that, of course, I'm here to help you and assist you. Okay, talk to you soon.